Hello everyone, my wife and I will show you how we make dinner for our baby. First thing, we will put sweet potato, and then we will put mixed fruits. You can use banana or any kind of strawberry, apple, anything you like. And we will also use rice cereal just to make the dinner a little bit heavy. So that's the banana we just put. Now my wife will put a little bit of cereal on top of it. And then mix it up really good. Your baby may fuss a little bit to eat solid food at the beginning, and I will share with you some tips you can use to feed your baby. My son is very fussy eating solid food, so I've been feeding him stony-filled baby yogurt just to alternate between solid food and stony-filled yogurt. So you can do the same thing if your baby is 6 months or older. You can start feeding your baby solid food and stony-filled baby yogurt. Sometimes I trick my son with a little cherry, so once he opens his mouth, I just give him the solid food instead of cherry. Sometimes I try with a watermelon. He opens his mouth, but I just give him solid food instead of watermelon. Sometimes I use pieces of carrot. So, you can just trick your baby and just, start getting him introduced, new food. And thank you for watching. I hope this trick will help you feed your baby too.